Hello, my student. Peace and good. Today we will learn. Let's explain with simple vocabulary and or graphics the intent of the text you hear with the expression I can. Expliquemos con vocabulario y o gráficos simples un tema del texto que se escucha con la expresión yo puedo. Performance indicator. Explain with simple vocabulary and or graphic the themes of the text you hear with the expression I can throw a song. En el indicador de desempeño vamos a explicar con vocabulario y o gráficos simples un tema del texto que escuchamos con la expresión yo puedo a través de una canción. Listen and repeat. Escucha y repite. Manos arriba, hands up. Repeat after me. Manos arriba. Okay. Next. Manos abajo, hands down. Repeat after me. Manos abajo. Very good, student. Next. Aplaude. Clap your hands. Repeat after me. Aplaude. Excellent, my student. Very, very good. Now, listen and act. Escucha y actúa. Number 1. Hands up. Okay. Number 2. Hands down. Very good. Number 3. Clap your hands. Excellent. Very good. Thank you, my students. See you the next class. Peace and good. God bless you. Bye-bye.